डिश टीवी द्वारा डिश टीवी स्मार्ट सर्विसेज के साथ मनोरंजन इंडस्ट्री में आई क्रांति। किसी भी स्क्रीन पर देखें टीवी और ओटीटी एक साथ। डिश टीवी अपने सभी ग्राहकों को अब टीवी सब्सक्रिप्शन के अंतर्निहित देगा ओटीटी सेवाएं। इंडस्ट्री में होगा पहला कदम। ग्राहकों को लोकप्रिय ऐप्स में से पसंदीदा प्लेटफॉर्म चुनने को लेकर मिलेगी सुविधा। डिश टीवी स्मार्ट सर्विसेज किसी भी स्क्रीन पर कहीं भी पहुंच सुनिश्चित कंटेंट, उपकरणों और ऑफर के साथ एक व्यापक मनोरंजन पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र करेगा प्रदान।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम, मैं ज़मीर अहमद अंसारी और आप देख रहे हैं जेड न्यूज़ फॉर यू। अर्ज ये है कि आपने अपने चैनल जेड न्यूज़ फॉर यू को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए हुए बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं, जिससे हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल सके।
इंडिया लिमिटेड की ओर से, which is not only a pioneer but India's leading brand in content distribution with over 23 million subscribers. And as a good host, I would like to begin this much-awaited event by thanking each one of you for removing your precious time on Monday morning, Monday afternoon. So yes, let's celebrate this momentous occasion by coming together in the capital of the country, New Delhi, by appreciating the past, present and envision a brand new future. Dish TV is a pioneer and it is the most established in Indian DTH industry. It's been the front runner by providing the best-in-class entertainment across all genres countrywide. And as we all know, the entertainment industry in India has grown by leaps and bounds. And today is one such another day where we will see how Dish TV has changed the landscape of entertainment. And to begin the formal proceedings, I would like to take this privilege to invite a very, very important man in the house of Dish TV. He's a leader who changes the game, raises the bar and scale to a new height. He is a friend, philosopher and guide to many. Sadhguru says a quality of a good leader is insight, integrity, inclusiveness, and he is one such leader who has really made a landmark in the industry of DTH with a rich experience. He joined as COO but has been elevated to CEO and Executive Director in less than a year. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about none other than Mr. Manoj Google, who is a dauntless dreamer, a tireless believer, and when he will be done and dusted, he will be an ultimate accomplisher. A warm welcome. Let's explore the unexplored with Mr. Manoj Google. All yours, sir.
Thank you, Shafali. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the eminent members and dignitaries of print, online, digital and electronic press and media, very good afternoon to you. I am very excited and thrilled today to invite all of you here, to welcome all of you here to a very special day, to this momentous occasion today. It's not yet another day, it's a day of reckoning in all our lives, in the lives of we as an organization, in the life of our customers, in the life of our stakeholders, in equal measures. So when I say it's going to be a day of reckoning, it's not just that we just, saying it. It's day of reckoning because what we are going to witness today is a revolution. Dish TV India Limited, ever since its inception back in October 2003, has been really the pioneer in bringing in a lot of positive changes, the way content and entertainment is delivered to its customers. Be it technological upgrade, be it the convenience of usage, be it keep innovating in the pursuit of customer delight and going beyond expectation. Dish TV has been synonymous about it. We own this legacy of bringing in disruptive changes the way content is consumed in India. So we continue this journey today. So today is an important day because we are going to witness yet the revolution led and innovated again by Dish TV, which will redefine, it will be a paradigm shift from here going forward, and we sincerely believe that the hard work is a combination of a lot of hard work, the commitment to deliver the best in the entertainment to our customers. And I thank all my dear colleagues who are here, whose persistent pursuit towards making it possible has really led to this day. So, what is a revolution? So, when we say revolution, it is not just that we are going to stick to our traditional ways and methods the way we were operating. When we say revolution, it is something to do with a complete deviation from the traditional ways and methods of executing things and the way opinions are formed and executed. So we have decided that we were the one who innovated most of the things around the world of entertainment and content, and we continue to do so. So today is one such day, and this will be definitely followed by many of the operators in the industry. So I'll just go 4-5 slides back before my colleagues take you through what we are going to unveil today. So there was a time in India back in 1959, and this era lasted, this is the first revolution we talk about, and this lasted some 20-21 years. People started moving from listening to commentary on radio towards TV, and most of the programs which are there, either there was some news or some programs on Doordarshan by the national broadcaster, and this was mostly around news, some Krishi Darshan, then a bit of news, bit of music and regional folk dance and all followed. So this lasted quite a long until around in 1980 and 82, where color TV started penetrating into the households, and this was coincided with India hosting Asian Games. So that is the time when people started getting appetite for better content and better picture quality and all that. So this is the second revolution which happened immediately after that. We saw Ramayana and Mahabharata taking down cities to stand still, and this continued again for a long period of time. By that time, all the broadcasters understood the need of going beyond a very limited genre of entertainment content, and they started discovering the value of spreading the genres. So, which led to another revolution, which we call third revolution, because now the private broadcasters, they started seeing value in taking the industry forward through different content and offerings to the customers. So our original founders, which is Z Group, they were the first to pick up. Like I said, we were always ahead of the curve in understanding what the customer need is, what the desire is, and in which way the customer is looking going forward. So they came out with a host of channels under the brand name of Z. So you saw Z TV, first private channel coming into existence, followed by some news channels. Sun followed it in the south, and we also had CNN, the international broadcaster, coming to India. So this was the opening of the industry on a different platform altogether. And from here, the massification of content, be it production, be it making it available to the customer, started happening. So around this time, there was a collective effort from various players in cable, and mostly all of it was actually analog, not mostly. So they started seeing an opportunity in making the content available on a single platform to the customers, because broadcasters were operating in isolation, and they were providing their own a la carte channels, you can say, or their own bouquet of channels to the customers. So customer had this confusion in mind how to subscribe to all of them together, and the first cable which was launched was CD cable in the country, wherein again the founders of HTV, they found a collective wisdom in putting everything together for the customers. That was another revolution. So that cable thing lasted for some time, and this is the time when customers desire for better experience and a self-controlled remote or his own personalized connection was established, and Dish TV took the lead in making the content available through satellite broadcasting received by a single dish antenna, which was personalized connection of the customer, and Dish TV India Limited was born. in October 2003. So that was the first time, and we were the, again the change agent in bringing a digital consumable content to the household of the customer. We saw a lot of other operators identifying with this opportunity, and we saw 3-4 DTH operators coming into India within the next 3 to 4 years. So while that was happening, we again started continued our journey towards beating the benchmark, setting the bar separate. So in 2005-6, we launched our own very first service in India called Movie on Demand. I don't know how many people were subscribed. It was way ahead of time at that point of time. So we said we don't want to be giving you only appointed scheduled viewing of content. You can also online demand whatever you want to consume in the form of movies content. So that was in 2005-6. So again, Dish TV stood the first in the industry in bringing that innovation to the Indian market. So while others were still catching up with this with us, in 2007, again we came out with something different, which was movie or content on move. So wherein you would have seen Indian ships. Navy was the first to actually join the bandwagon. So these are the people who are on the sea for maybe months and maybe if not years, maybe months continued. So there was not much of entertainment available for them other than the traditional ways. So we came out with a moving satellite receivable signal. So that was on the go. So that was another innovation. This was followed by launching the first ever high definition set-top box. So till now it was standard definition or it was cable. So cable has its own challenges. The moment water seeps into the wire cabling or anything which is atmospheric to do, there's a lot of disturbance in the customer experience. So in the digital also, standard definition has lived its life for long. So we came out first time with the high definition high definition STVs, which revolutionized the content consumption again because the quality was superior. It was digitally transmitted right from the satellite. So that gave a different platform to the industry again. We soon followed it by Android boxes. In 2019, there was a PVR, personal video recording boxes. So there was a series of innovations which were done by Dish TV this time. And this period lasted quite long for us. And we were always the first to bring in anything which was establishing as a customer need. So what happened? These 3 decades, to sum it up, we were the pioneer, Dish TV India Limited, of bringing in or participating very actively in all these revolutions, which lasted about 3 decades. Now, what has happened in the last, and this is how specific household used to look like, common household used to look like this only. So everybody would gather around TV viewing at least in the evening or on a weekend. There is a special movie which is being screened by different operators. So this is how the Indian family and the living room used to look like. What happened in the last 3-4 years? Because of a very steep penetration of smartphones, and which is growing every passing day. Other than that, the work-life balance or the convenience of the customer started shifting towards data being made easily available and so affordable in India that people wanted to have their personalization in content consumption, and mobile penetration did help a big time in that. So we saw last 3-4 years there is a OTT onslaught and OTT adaptation which has happened quite at a very steep rate. So what that represents is a shift in consumer behavior again, right? And few hours of linear TV watching shifted towards OTT. So this device has already set into the household. So how does the household look like now? From a TV to a multiple gadgets and devices in the same household. So I am insisting on this word because we have this as an opportunity, and this one is the strategic lever of our growth going forward, that we want to address all of these customers again because they are in the same household. In the same household, there are people who want to see all kind of content. So there are no specific choices, preferences anymore, and everybody wants to see the best of whichever genre is available for consumption. So this is how the future is going to be, and OTT is becoming more and more prominent every passing day. This has a lot of convenience to the customer at his own time, at his own on his own device, and the content of his own choice anytime. There is no scheduled viewing. So anymore. So this is how the next revolution be all around. So we at Dish TV, living to our legacy of being ahead of the curve in trying to encash and trying to provide the best of the solutions to the customers. For last 1.5 years, we have been contemplating, and this big team of ours who's working on what it would require in terms of technology, what would it require in terms of enablement, what would require in terms of easing the life of the customer without causing any inconvenience of his viewing habit, because it's very simple. Whatever be the degree of your solution or the merit of your product, if it is not convenient to the customer, he is not going to subscribe to it. So we've been working for last 3-4 quarters on it, and I'm proud to say that we have a series of initiatives lined up, which I think my team will take you through. And we definitely want to capitalize on this. This will definitely put us into a different orbit of growth going forward from here. So this is going to be the fifth revolution in the life of the customer. And to give you a few numbers around it, if you can see, there is nothing which is going, on the degrowth side as far as content consumption is concerned. So from 137 million, which is 13.7 crore household today, we are going to touch 18.3 crore. So this is what good 40-45% growth in content consumption through what is going to change is of linear TV or pay TV without pay TV plus smart TV, or a lot of it growth will come from the smart TV. So which means that we need to be ahead of time in making these devices available to the customer, and how do we keep bundling in or keep providing our content. And when I say content, now it's very small global village. We say that any content for anybody is available at the click of a subscription. So we are at the cusp of a new revolution. We will call it the fifth revolution going forward. And this requires a lot of effort on technology, on convenience, on affordability, on content, and putting everything, whatever is sold in the name of entertainment and which is permission. So we are just around the corner. Over to you, Shefali. I think you and my colleagues will take it forward from here. Thank you.
Transforming all of us with his promising words. The most progressive country in the world is India today, and I'm sure each one of us will agree to this, that we all, the proud citizens of India, are unstoppable now. We all are contributing towards India becoming the third largest economy. What a spirit, what an extraordinary spirit. And with Dish TV, I can vouch for its even more being a homemade product. Ye hai Shubharan, ladies and gentlemen, and to amplify this occasion, this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to invite this gorgeous actress who radiates charisma with versatility. A multiple times award winner at national and international level, I am talking about this gorgeous actress whose incredible performance has been remembered in Satya, Monsoon Wedding, Dil Dhadakne Do, Delhi. Can I hear it loud? Can I hear it loud from everybody? Let's put a round of applause as I invite this stunning actress who has really created history with her landmark performances in Delhi Crime, in Darlings, in Dil Dhadakne Do, and the list is endless. She has been the National Award winner at the 45th National Film Awards for her film The Last Lear. She has been the voice for the character Raksha in the Hindi version of Jungle Book series. Her performance has been really applauded and got a critical acclaim in the crime series which is streaming on Netflix, that is Delhi Crime. And her series has won the award also at the 48th International Emmy Awards. Not only this, she has been nominated as the Best Actress for Season 2 Delhi Crime in the 51st International Emmy Awards. and her latest release, which is streaming on Netflix, Three of Us, has already given her a Filmfare Best Actress Award in the Critics' Choice. Everybody, let's put our hands together as I take this opportunity. It's my delight to have this stunning actress right here with us, Shefali Shah. Can we all put our hands together as she walks in the room with her mesmerizing aura. What a warm welcome. So glad to have you, ma'am, here with us. A very stunning actor, and it's what a treat to watch you on screen and as well off screen. See, the cameras are all like, there to capture you. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to have you. Can we have another one? We'll have a lot of chance to click Shefali Shah. So nice to have my own name sharing with you. So, you have been one very fine actress and of course multiple award-winning actress who have seen the era of entertainment, transforming from television to cinema to OTT. And I'm sure you will be the best person to share with us your experience and how do you see the entertainment, progressing from one medium to another medium.
Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. And well, yes, you're right. I started with theatre, and then I went on to do television, and then films and OTT, and it all just went one by one. But I remember, there are people who still remember me from the serials that I did, and that means the exposure that came out to people, or people got introduced to me, or I got introduced to people through that medium, being in their houses, which is what, it's a very interesting term that you use, a household name. It's a very, I think it's a very endearing term, because it's like saying somebody we know. And, OTT kind of opened our eyes, even being an actor, being a student of cinema. I can sit at home and watch films, series, short films, documentaries from world over. And that kind of exposure, of course, opens your eyes up. And But you know, when we did television or we did films, it was like, ab aur kya? Isse aage kya ho sakta hai? And then there was OTT, and you know, there was, well, now there's going to be something else.
And the television was very time bound also. Now, like with OTT, we have a choice to watch our
Absolutely.
favorite entertainment as
Whenever we want, we want to stop to go get popcorn, fine, you can do that. So it's on our time, it's what we like, it gives us options for everyone in the house, no matter what age, no matter what gender, and it's great, it's an exposure to the world, because I really feel that, you know, like films or television, it's a great medium. When you see something visually, I mean, I personally love reading. But when you see something visually, a lot of people do not like reading, but they can see and expose themselves to a lot of stuff. And of course, not to forget, the main purpose of it is entertainment.
And I believe it resonates with us. So I watched your film, Three of Us, last week. I was sharing with you. I've heard so much about dementia, but I couldn't even resonate with it till the time I saw that film and your power pack performance, incredible performance. And I cried along with you on screen, I must say. But to add on this, I would like to take this opportunity to call once again our dynamic CEO, Mr. Manoj Dubal, to come on the stage, and would like to take this forward. Warm welcome once again, sir.
So one disclaimer, Shefali here. Although me and a lot of people here don't share the name with Shefali,
Yeah.
but we all are equally excited to have you here.
Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Manoj, Dish TV has been the pioneer in the content distribution. So, how do you see the landscape of entertainment now transforming? And in future, how will it be?
So I'll say the journey is very simple, and it's been constructed very nicely by Shefali herself. So she started from Telecrimes, which was essentially TV. Then
Telecrimes was
Netflix.
OTT, and the name started from TV. People, you know, actors themselves moved from TV to movies to OTT, right? Why it is moving? Because the customer preference is moving that way. And as an artist, as a production house, as a provider of platform, we need to be ready to see that change happening, pick up that, and make the best possible solution available to the customer in that direction. So this is a definite trend, right? And this is what we pick up from the market. What the customer needs, we should be ready for that ahead of time. So, and like she said, today everybody wants to watch a different platform, a different genre in the same budget. Maybe we are very, very cost conscious people. We don't want to.
I know there's a lot of surprises coming our way, which will definitely.
So the choices are becoming smart, right? The content consumption is becoming smarter. So the brand needs to be smart to be ready to dish out that. So that is how the content consumption is going to change. People are definitely looking for a 360-degree solution available to them, which can provide everything which can wish for, right? Without going into essence of technological. Logins, remembering the things, different multiple subscriptions, different devices. So it has to be one-stop solution for everything. So that is where the entertainment landscape from a platform perspective is shifting towards. So this is what we have figured out is the need of a customer, and I think we are ready for that.
So absolutely. So नेक काम में फिर देरी नहीं करनी चाहिए, and we all are holding our breath to witness this revolutionary product. So let's watch it out and let's experience ourselves. So it's a time to unveil this revolutionary product. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hold our breath. Let's put our hands together as we move towards this magical moment. 3, 2, can I hear the loudest cheer? 1, and here we go. congratulations. So ladies and gentlemen, ये है न्यू एरा ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट विद डिश टीवी स्मार्ट प्लस, और इस न्यू एंटरटेनमेंट एरा की कुछ कहानी मैं लिखूंगी, कुछ कहानी आप लिखेंगे, कुछ कहानी हम सब लोग लिखेंगे, तो ये नई पूरी कहानी बनेगी. And to take it forward, I would like to hear from you, how are you feeling? So events are all about experiences, and having you here is such a brilliant experience, Shefali. So how are you feeling?
Thank you. So I was really excited for it, of course, to share this room with all you wonderful people. But I've got to be honest, I'm more excited about this. I really am. I don't remember passwords, and so this is great for me. And you know, a lot of films and shows, for example, Three of Us, it got released in some theaters, but in the you know, interiors of India, it wasn't released, and they do not have the OTT platform. But this is going to you know, bring our work in front of every single person in this country.
What are tech savvy?
Sorry,
What
yeah,
are
tech savvy, which includes me. So it's wonderful that, you know, we have a platform. My mom will finally be able to operate her remote and watch this. So that's fantastic, and I'm really excited about it.
Fantastic. A hearty congratulations, Mr. Manoj Doval. What do you have to say here before we move on to the presentation, that what exactly is Dish TV Smart Plus?
So this is a combination of everything which is technologically the latest, content, perspective, everything available, addressing the entertainment need in totality of the customer, at the same time addressing the convenience, the affordability, and you know, the taking care of the inconvenience of subscribing to multiple subscriptions. So that's in totality what we are going to unveil. So it's not all that we are calling it a revolution, because if you look around today, is there anything which is, any platform or any product or any service which is providing all of this together? I don't think we will be able to find anything. Right? So there are a lot of KPIs, there are a lot of, you know, there's a lot more in the product, because when I say technology, it has to be made available through a lot of devices in the backend and everything. So the customer doesn't need to change, like she said. I am accustomed to my own remote. So I should know, I press this and I get to this, and I get to see this. Right? I can only remember this much. Because there is so much of, you know, so much else we like to, you know, remember and learn. So this should be as hassle-free as possible.
That's fabulous. So now I request for the photo op session, and then we'll move on to the presentation. What exactly Dish TV Smart Plus is. So the cameras are all there. As he takes off the stage.
Thank you everyone. So, great welcoming everyone, all of you, all our friends from media once again for being here today to witness the launch of Dish Smart Plus. What is Dish Smart Plus? I think preamble has already been given to you. It has been revealed here by our CEO, Mr. Manoj and Shefali ji. So my job here will be to give you a detailed explanation. And you know, we started off by saying that you know, what we are going to witness here today is going to be a revolution, right? Revolution is a very big word, okay? We have not used this word just to impress all of you and to tell you that, you know, we are going to do something great. My job here is to tell all of you why we think it is really a revolution, and our request is that all our friends from various media platforms will help us and take this message across to everyone because we are a very, very mass product, and what we are offering today is really something which will impact lives of everyone as far as entertainment is concerned. So let me tell you why we think it's a revolution. We all have just had the discussion, and we've seen that the world has changed, entertainment has changed forms, the audiences have changed. So what do we do about it? What we are really announcing out here today is that Dish TV and D2H, which are our two DTH platforms, from today onwards, they are India's first and only smart platforms. Right? So what does it mean to be smart platform? Why are we calling it smart platform? And why is it a revolution? So that's what we'll try to explain to you. So the first thing is, what is Smart Plus? From today onwards, Dish TV and D2H are not going to provide only television channels. We are going to provide entertainment from anywhere, whether it is from streaming platforms or whether it is from broadcast channels. So that's what Dish Smart Plus is all about. But who are we going to give that to? Are we going to give this entertainment to people who pay us more, who take all the premium packages? No. Why is it a revolution? Is because whether you are our existing customer or new customers who will take Dish and D2H connections, all of the customers are going to get both television and OTT, and that's something very good. More than that itself might be revolutionary, but more than that, all this we are providing at no extra cost. That is why I said, look, all across India, whether it is villages, small towns, wherever Dish satellite signals reach out to, the customer will be part of this revolution. And even if you are a customer who is on a package of, let's say, 200 rupees per month, we are going to provide both TV and OTT. So it is the first time that you are witnessing here that any company, whether it is a DTH company, whether it is any other company in any other sector, provide entertainment from all mediums possible at these kind of price points. So that is why we are calling it something which is a revolution, and definitely a revolution as far as entertainment is concerned. But does it stop here? It doesn't stop here, because it is also very innovative in the way it is constructed. So, what will the subscriber get in Dish Smart Plus, Dish TV Smart Plus? They are going to get a lot of apps which are going to be given to them as a base pack. At the same time, they can choose from some of the most popular and the most favorite OTT apps which India has seen, where you can see all the content. We can see Shefali is various movies. I think 3 of Us was brilliant. I think, and you're right, when we say that at 200 rupees per month, all our existing customers across villages, everyone can, take part in this revolution. We are also saying that brilliant movies like that can reach out to the masses, and it doesn't have to be limited only to a select few. So that's what people get along with their TV channels, whatever they are currently watching. They don't have to change their package. They also get a lot of OTT apps as part of their package. So whether it is the big national apps, or whether it is some of the brilliant regional apps, a lot of work is happening across all regions in various languages to provide very, very good content. Whether it is Hoichoi or a Chopal or a Sun Next or a Raj, all these apps are also available to our customers. They can choose from them at no extra cost. But does it stop even here? No. Why it is a revolution even further is because we have come out with this unique way of watching all the favorite entertainment, especially the streaming apps, is that people follow content. We always hear this thing in the entertainment industry that content is the king, right? Or maybe we should say content is queen now, right? But people follow content. One movie is getting released on one platform. After a few days, another movie getting released somewhere else, another brilliant web series gets released somewhere else. The customer doesn't even know which platform it is getting released on, but they want to watch it. So first they find out, kahan hai? I don't have that subscription. We are putting an end to that because you can choose. 1 month you might be watching one app, the other month you can switch to another app. After a few days you can switch to something else. So the idea is wherever your entertainment is, you will be able to see it with a single subscription at no extra cost. So that is why it is such a revolution. Not just that, you know, as a customer, we are a country where a lot of people, you know, they spend on entertainment, but at the same time, the budgets are limited. So when, there was only Doordarshan, people were not paying for entertainment, then people started paying for TV channels. Now, you know, people have to spend on movies, they want to go to theaters, they want to pay for their TV. Now they also have to switch between apps and pay for different subscriptions. But what Dish TV Smart Plus is doing today is putting an end to that. What we are saying is that you don't have to buy OTT plans separately. So, you don't have to have two budgets. One, you're recharging your TV and then you're paying separately and, you know, buying OTT subscriptions. None of that business from today onwards, so only one budget. Okay? The same expense, subscriber will get TV as well as OTT. That is why it is such a revolution. Moving on. We are saying that whatever be the content, wherever it is, you'll be able to watch on whatever device, whether it is your phone, whether it is your TV, whether it's your laptop. Even if you don't have a smart TV, we have solutions for that. We'll talk about that also later. So, Dish TV India Limited is not only about television channels now, it is about entertainment on any screen, anywhere, anytime. Now we talk about devices. I said, whatever device you have. Even if you don't have a smart TV, you can still watch it using the various things we have. Now, if you don't want to watch it, on your television, obviously you can watch it on your smartphone. So watch it on your smartphone, smart TV, Fire Stick, wherever. And if you don't have a smart TV, we have enough devices to make your TV smart. So that's the Android devices, the Wi-Fi devices that we have, which can make any TV smart. So that is a further step which makes it such a wonderful ecosystem where it is not just the packs, the content, it is also the devices where everyone, whether you have a smart TV, don't have a smart TV, everyone can watch it, and that is why it is a democratization of entertainment, and that is why it is such a revolution. But not just that, if you see something here which is coming soon, you'll see various devices. It's an Android 4K box, it's an inbuilt set-top box, it's a cloud TV device, it's an Android dongle, it's a hybrid dongle for smart TV. All this will be coming very soon. So we are meeting here after some time, but the idea is to meet all of you again and again, and we will have new news on all these device launches that we will do very soon, and we will be collaborating with some of the biggest technology companies which are there in the world today. I will not name them right now because that is news which we will reveal as we go on, and month after month we will have some new news for all of you, and we will be collaborating with some of the global tech giants in bringing all these devices and solutions to you. Some of them are not even hardware, there are purely cloud-based solutions and things which will ensure that whatever device you are, wherever you are, you're able to watch your entertainment. So that's again why we are calling it such a big revolution. Our technology team is here, Mr. Sunil Kumar is here, Abhishek is here, Mr. Ravi Puri is here. All of them are working extremely hard with some of the best global companies in the world, and those partnerships will also have a very big impact on how we bring entertainment to everyone across India. So now when we bring all this, so far we said we are bringing content from anywhere, on any screen, we are bringing the right packages, we are bringing flexible solutions, you can change and watch your entertainment in a flexible manner anytime. We have wonderful devices, we can make any TV smart, but all this is for Dish TV and D2H customers. What if you are not a customer? For that also, we are announcing something very big here, which is that we would like to enable everyone to get a Dish TV or a D2H connection so that they can use Dish TV Smart Plus. And we have this fantastic offer which is actually unbelievable. Okay, so we are calling it the Malamal offer, where if you do not have a Dish TV or a D2H connection, you can go out to the market today, get a new connection for 3,000 rupees, and we will give you a cashback of 5,500 rupees back. So that is something again unheard of so far. Consumers sometimes don't believe us, and there are actually no strings attached. There is no great fine print which holds back. All this cashback will be given to the customers, and they can consume content for worth that much. So it is an amazing solution. If you're not a Dish or D2H customer, you can get into the ecosystem and you can make use of Dish TV Smart Plus. So that's what it is, the Malabar offer. And just to give you a little bit detail, with this, once you get into the ecosystem, you get TV channels plus OTT, you get instant cashback worth 1,500, you get 100% cashback on every recharge, you get a lifetime validity, your cashback doesn't expire, okay? And there is a 3-year service warranty where we take care of all the issues while the customer enjoys full entertainment. So that's what we have. A full bouquet of announcements, right from content to package to price to devices and to the offer. And that is why what we wanted to share with all of you, and that is really the bottom line, is that Dish TV India Limited is about entertainment. It is not just about TV. It is about entertainment on any screen, anywhere, anytime. We are repeating this because that's exactly what we are today. And with this, you can enjoy the world of TV and OTT on any screen, anywhere, anytime. And like our host Shefali mentioned, we are witnessing a new India. We are witnessing revolutions everywhere. And with this, Dish TV India Limited definitely wants to be New India's favorite entertainer. So thank you. That's what I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sukhpreet Singh. This is Entertainment Revolution with Dish TV Smart Plus, which shall transform the entertainment viewing experience at home. This is the revolution in the DTH industry. My dear friends, नए भारत का एक चेहरा मैं भी हूँ, नए भारत का एक चेहरा आप भी हैं। नए भारत का ये नया चेहरा है विद डिश टीवी स्मार्ट प्लस। नए भारत के लिए एक बार मेरे लिए, एक बार हम सब के लिए, शिफाली शाह के लिए, डिश टीवी स्मार्ट प्लस के लिए, लेट्स पुट अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। एक जोरदार तालियों के साथ, व्हाट एन incredible revolution in the DTH industry with Dish TV Smart Plus. And to take this opportunity, I would like to request once again our very dear Mr. Manoj Dobal and our darling Shefali Shah ji to be here on the stage for Q&A round. I'm sure everybody must be inquisitive for so many questions, and here we are, these two, to answer all the questions. The two celebrities, the two dignitaries, all for you.
लई
So friends, दिल खोल के पूछिए, जो भी मन में आ रहा है, जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है. This is an opportunity, this is the time. So take the most of it by asking the questions whatever you wish to both of them.
Mr. Manoj, you told us that...
Can we have the mic in the audience, please?
I have it. I think I'm asking for the
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Manoj, you told us that there will be only one subscription. If one would like to see other platforms, there would not be any extra fee. But you are this technology man, he says, if you are a new customer and you pay 3,000 rupees subscription, you will get a cashback of rupees 5,500 rupees.
Right.
You can use this for your our content. What does this mean? If it is free, one is paying 3,000, what should he pay 5,000, whatever he is getting buy back, 5,500. where he will use it.
See, the DTH subscription today, if you go for buying a new subscription, so whether it is mine or any other brand,
Okay.
there is a initial entry fee to the platform,
Okay.
right, which every brand charges.
Okay.
So if I do a like-to-like comparison,
Okay.
I take 3,000, the others also take 3,000. Right? That is for you to get into the Dish TV or DTH ecosystem. So that is the charges towards that, which is a privileged situation today also. So there is nothing extra which we have said that we will charge you. We will charge you the same fee which we are charging. Suppose this was not being done today. So today also when we are acquiring new customer, this is one of the modus operandi for that, and it's for all the brands.
Suppose I go for a connection for 3,000 rupees.
Right.
You are paying me 5,500 back.
Right.
If I will not utilize it, then what will be the buy this?
So,
Profit.
so the DTH industry works on a life of customer on the network. Right? The more the customer stays with us, the better our possibility of profitability and cash accruals from that. So that works on that way only. So what we are saying is that the change which we are bringing in, the revolution that we are bringing is that 3,000 you have paid me, we are making it so easy for you to enter our platform. We are assuring you back that everything you get back. Right? And this 5,500 today, if you subscribe for any pack. So best of the pack, full blown pack, having all the content loaded into it, doesn't go more than 500, 550 or even 600, max to max 600 bucks. So 5,500 in how many months you will be able to use? 9, 10, 12 months, right? So what we are saying is we are giving you instant cashback of 1,500 so that you don't have to pay anything extra. So even if you take a 300 is the sweet spot for a DTH subscriber. So if you pay me 300 bucks, so your connection is up and running for next 5-6 months. Now the balance is already sitting into your account. So that 1,500 I use, the 4,000 is still sitting into your account. So that 4,000, the beauty of this product is that you pay me 100 bucks, I pay you 100 bucks extra. 100% cash back. You pay me 200, I pay you 200 back. You pay me 500, I pay you 500 back. So what you are getting is every time you are recharging the subscription, you are getting 100% cash back of that. So that is how the product is constructed.
The other thing is, if we go for a Jio pack or we go for Airtel, we get internet as well as TV content also. But in your case, there won't be any internet, I suppose.
So,
and we have to go for them, we have to pay additional charges for those accessories.
So there are two conditions attached, two strings attached to that. One, you have to subscribe everything of that particular operator. And the price point for that, giving all access to all the apps, is somewhere around 1,000 bucks per month. And there are many customers in the country who are not subscribing to these internet connections. And because there is no footprint available everywhere also. So if you go to villages, if you go to tier 2 and 3 towns, so they are not available in terms of footprint everywhere. And there are a lot of other internet service providers who are charging only 200 to 50 bucks for the monthly connection because the need here is only 10 MB, 20 MB, max to max 50 Mbps. So they are not looking for 1 Gbps kind of a speed. And even if the customer in the metros who is having a 1 Gbps connection, he has to pay somewhere around 1,500 today to access all these apps. What we are saying, like my colleague said, for 250 rupees as well as 200 rupees, you are getting access to all the apps. So it is so friendly onto your pocket.
Otherwise, using dongle is a costly affair. If
So-
you go for dongle and other these products.
Yeah, so like you heard, you saw, there is a series of initiatives that we are lined up with, which will make that also very, very affordable to the customer. So one of our USP has always been technologically disrupting, keeping the convenience and affordability intact for the customer. So that is going to be the mantra for us, and that's what most of these things are lined up with.
Thanks.
I have taken all of us through a little journey, right from 2003 till where we stand today. And I'm really proud of sharing it again that we have been always ahead of others. Most of the times others have only copied us for any technological change which has happened in the world of entertainment. Right? Today as we speak, this is also a need which we have identified. that customer, like Sukhdev ji said, customer is not following platforms, he is not following the apps, he is not following technology. For him the life is very simple. This is what I need and I want it hassle-free, conveniently on my subscription. Right? So this need is identified. We are the only platform who has come out with this, which also means that we had already identified this need maybe 3 to 4 quarters back, and we were relentlessly working to make it live in the life of the customer. So we have this legacy of bringing in any technological advancements way ahead of others, and we will continue doing that. And thanks to our IT and technology team here, Abhishek and Ravi Puri and Sunil are here. So we have always been ahead of curve, sensing the pulse of these changes that are happening and onboarding it way ahead of others. So that doesn't remain a challenge for us.
Daily memories are my national award and Delhi Crime. I mean, I shot all of it here. As far as my projects are concerned, there is, of course, Delhi Crime 3, which I'm very, very excited about. There is a film that I'm going to be shooting very soon, but I would let the producer and director announce that. I'm not allowed to talk about it. So, yeah.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. Here.
I can't say, oh, hi.
So, my name is Vishal.
Consciously, because one is I don't watch content on my phone. I really don't. I mean, I feel that it's meant for the TV and I'd rather watch it in one go, in silence, on a screen. So I don't watch it on my phone. I don't watch it on my laptop or anything. In my house, maybe my sons share a password with me and my husband. I'm not really sure about this. But I can blame them for it. If it is true, then I'm going to blame them for it.
Thank you so much.
अगर आप 2 साल पहले देखें तो ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. OTT की दुनिया में 4-5 बड़े नाम थे और मोस्टली वो मतलब जो है या तो इंग्लिश या हिंदी इस तरह का कंटेंट लैंग्वेज में प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे. अगर आप देखें पिछले 2 साल में करीबन 40 से 50 ब्रांड तो मुझे याद है जिन्होंने जो है रीजनल कंटेंट क्रिएशन की जर्नी में शुरुआत करी. आज की डेट में एटलीस्ट 12-15 ऑफ देम, ठीक है, आर वेरी वेल एस्टेब्लिश्ड. सो आप 2 साल पहले रोशे का नाम पूछें कोई नहीं जानता था, आप 2 साल पहले चौपाल का नाम पूछें कोई नहीं जानता था, ठीक है. और ऐसे सारे ऐप्स आपने देखे होंगे, हमने लाइन अप कर रखे हैं अपने बुके में. तो ये डेफिनेटली जो ट्रैक्शन है धीरे धीरे और बढ़ेगा. इन ब्रांड्स को आज की डेट में देखो, इंडिया इतनी बड़ी कंट्री है और हर लैंग्वेज की जो बड़ी, अगर आप 10-12 लैंग्वेज पकड़ लें तो 50 मिलियन से 60 मिलियन की फॉलोअरशिप हर लैंग्वेज की है, ठीक है. मतलब ग्लोबली अगर आप देखें तो इतनी बड़ी लैंग्वेज बेस अच्छी अच्छी कंट्रीज में नहीं मिलता इन वन कंट्री इटसेल्फ. और इंडिया में वो अवेलेबिलिटी है, तो ऑडियंस है. और हमारा जो माध्यम है, यू राइटली सेड कि हमारा माध्यम ऐसा है कि जो हर एक तक पहुँचता है, ठीक है. हम एक इकलौता ब्रांड है ऐसा जो रूरल और अर्बन सेम ब्रेथ में कवर करते हैं, ठीक है. तो हमारा ब्रांड इसको डेफिनेटली हेल्प कर रहा है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी थॉट कि ये अब समय आ गया है कि हम rather than restricting to only DTH, let's take all these OTTs also to all the customers wherever they are. So we are not bound by geography, we are not bound by segmentation, or we are not bound by income level of the customers. So 200 से लेके 1000, अगर किसी को 500-600 का पैक भी है वो भी ले सकता है. कोई अगर पीलीभीत के पूरनपुर में बैठा हुआ है, ठीक है, जो कि नेपाल बॉर्डर पे पड़ता है, मैं भी पिछले हफ्ते ही वहाँ पर था, ठीक है, तो वहाँ हमने प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग किया है, तो वहाँ पे भी कस्टमर जो है इजीली इसको मतलब अडॉप्ट कर सकता है.
जी, मेरे शेफाली मैम से क्वेश्चन है. शेफाली मैम, आज तकनीक का दौर है और तकनीक के दौर में AI की बहुत बात होती है, तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि इंडस्ट्री में बहुत चिंता है इस बात को लेकर जो AI के गलत यूज़ हो रहे हैं. आप खुद भी देख रहे होंगे आजकल बहुत सारे स्टार्स जो हैं इलेक्शन के टाइम पर बता रहे हैं कि मेरा वीडियो नहीं है, ये मेरा वीडियो नहीं है, तो उसको आप फॉलो ना करें. आपको क्या लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री में कितनी चिंता है इसको लेकर, और आप खुद इस बारे में क्या सोचती हैं?
मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, अभी फिलहाल जो भी इंडस्ट्री में होता है वो सबके सामने होता है, इसीलिए लगता है दिस इज ओनली रिलेटेड टू द इंडस्ट्री. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. आई मीन अ टीनेजर और अ गर्ल और एनीबडी कैन बी वरीड कि उसका आई मीन जस्ट किसी फ्रेंड्स ने फोटो शूट किया है या फोटोग्राफ्स लिए हैं या वीडियो शूट किया है, दैट कैन बी यूज्ड रॉन्गली. बट आई फील हर टेक्नोलॉजी के पीछे देयर इज़ अ गुड एंड देयर इज़ अ बैड. अब किस तरह यूज करना है. Like there is a very interesting thing that has started because of this AI. नए गाने in Kishore Das voice. Now he's one of my favorite singers, and it's so amazing to just hear it. Of course, it can never be the original, but it's interesting. It's a very interesting part of AI. But अच्छा है तो बुरा भी होगा. So I think there will be a control somewhere. अभी शुरू हो रहा है. So you know there are no controls or firewalls built around it. But I'm sure there will be a way of it. Start something and I love it. I finish it in the night. One go. It's not one particular series. There is so much content and there is such brilliant content. I mean, I haven't come back to repeating, if I've seen something and I watch it again, I haven't reached there yet because I've been itna sara hai ki it keeps coming and I want to watch everything. But yes, I am going to watch it.
Any 3 web series that you will recommend to us? Anything, your favorite, personal favorite?
Fleabag, Chernobyl, and When They See Us, and Delhi Crime.
Of course, definitely.
Yeah, I think it's one of the finest shows that's come out of India.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I hope everyone is listening. The recommendations ma'am have given to me after binge watching, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
आपने देखा होगा जहाँ पे हमने ये स्लाइड्स बना रखी है और जहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है, जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है नो एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट और नो एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज. आपने ज़्यादा देखा होगा किसी भी पैम्पलेट में, किसी कम्युनिकेशन मटेरियल में नीचे छोटा सा एक TNC लिखा होता है या एक स्टार बना होता है. आपने किसी भी स्लाइड में वो TNC या स्टार नहीं देखा होगा. Which means we are maintaining absolute transparency. कि अगर हम आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आपको ये ऐप मिलेगी तो ये ऐप मिलेगी. आज ये हमारा चौथा एडिशन है. We have finished Mumbai edition, followed by Calcutta edition and then Chennai edition. This is the 4th edition we are doing within a span of 6 days only. And we have been traveling. हमने ये खुद जाकर टेस्टिफाई किया मार्केट में, क्योंकि हम आज यहाँ ये करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट जाके 10 कस्टमर को बात करते हैं, 10 रिटेलर्स को बात करते हैं जो कस्टमर को ऑनबोर्ड करते हैं, उनसे समझते हैं. ठीक है, पीपल आर रियली फाइंडिंग इट वेरी इजी एंड वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. तो हमने जब बोला है कि जैसे स्प्रिंट जी हमारे जो मार्केटिंग हेड बता रहे थे आपको कि अगर आपका 250 रुपये का पैक है, आपका 250 रुपये का ही पैक रहने वाला है. आपको 251 रुपये नहीं देना, मेरे को 1 रुपया एक्स्ट्रा नहीं देना. सो दैट इज अबाउट द ट्रांसपेरेंसी. ठीक है. सेकेंड, नो स्ट्रिंग्स अटैच्ड है. ठीक है. अभी जैसे शेफाली जी ने बताया कि मैं कंटिन्यूसली एक रात में सारी चीज़ें खत्म कर देती हूँ. एंड दिस इज व्हाट द नेचर ऑफ द पीपल हु आर वाचिंग OTT इज. That is the basic nature of these, guzzlers who guzzle the content. तो इसमें हमने फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आपको बताई थी. एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली सब्सक्राइब इट टुडे. आप 3000 रुपये दीजिए, नया कनेक्शन लीजिए और आप खुद इसको चेक कीजिए कि आपको कोई कंडीशन नजर नहीं आएगी. जैसे मैं बता रहा था कि शेफाली जी ने बताया कि मेरे को ये सीरीज पूरी आज ही खत्म करनी है. बिकॉज द कंटेंट इज सो ग्रिपिंग एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर अपॉइंटमेंट टुमारो एंड डे आफ्टर एंड ऑल दैट, एंड पीपल आर सो बिजी. But they still have got hooked to something which they really believe in and they want to consume it. हमारी इसमें इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है कि आपने 3 दिन में, शेफाली जी 1 हफ्ता भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, आपने अगर 3 दिन में सीरीज खत्म कर दी है, चौथे दिन आपको दिखा कि सोनी लिव पे कुछ मतलब एक नया कुछ आने वाला है, आप 3 दिन में सोनी लिव पे जा सकते हैं. There is so much of flexibility. What we are saying here, we mean it and we have testified it already. It is available in that much transparency in the market. So कोई स्ट्रिंग्स अटैच नहीं है, कोई टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन नहीं है कि आपको ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. आपके 5 और जो आपकी चॉइस ऑफ एप्स हैं वो आप खुद सेलेक्ट कीजिए, खुद आप मंथ और मंथ चेंज कीजिए या वीक में चेंज कीजिए, वो आपके ऊपर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है. तो यहाँ पर हमने कोड बहुत सिंपल रखा है, सारा का सारा आपके हाथ में, कस्टमर के हाथ में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है. हेलो देखिए 5.5 ले रहे हैं मेरे से, तो मैं तो उसे ले ही नहीं रहा हूँ. -2500 हूँ पहले भी. अब ये सवाल पूछिए कि मैं कैसे करूँगा उसको. ठीक है. वो सवाल में ट्रेड सीक्रेट यहाँ बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा मेरे को, which I am not comfortable doing. बट ये ऑफर कितना सिंपल ऑफर है. आप 3000 दीजिए, आप किसी भी चीज़ में डील कर रहे हो, किसी भी बिजनेस में, आप ऐसा कोई ऑफर ला के मेरे को बता दीजिए, मैं सब्सक्राइब करूँगा उसको.
अच्छा, एक और आता है कि पैक जो है आपका जो है कि वैसे 30 डेज का है या 25 डेज का.
दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन. OTT की दुनिया में एक सबसे बड़ा कंस्ट्रेंट और रेस्ट्रिक्शन यही है. हमने पीछे बात की थी कि वी वांटेड टू मेक इट हैसल फ्री एंड कन्वीनियंट टू द कस्टमर विदाउट चेंजिंग एनीथिंग अराउंड हिज लाइफ. वो हमारा मोटो रहेगा हमेशा कि कस्टमर ईज एंड कन्वीनियंस इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. आप किसी भी OTT ऐप में जाएंगे, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, किसी OTT ऐप को आपको 12 महीने से नीचे का सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलता ही नहीं है. कोई ऐप ऐसी इसमें 6 महीने नीचे का सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं मिलता, कई ऐप ऐसी जिनमें कम से कम 3 महीने का लेना पड़ता है। जितनी भी पॉपुलर ऐप्स हैं वो कोई भी आपको 1 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन देती ही नहीं, तो सीधा बोलती है 500 रुपये कम से कम लगेंगे, 1000 रुपये कम से कम लगेंगे, राइट। अब क्योंकि हमारा जो बैकग्राउंड है वो DTH वाला है, अगर आप इससे परिचित हो तो DTH में क्या होता है, इट्स ए डेली बर्न यूनिट। यू कैन रिचार्ज फॉर 100 रुपीज़, ठीक है, और जिस दिन आपका 100 रुपीज़ खत्म, जब तक आपका 100 रुपीज़ का रिचार्ज चल रहा है वो डे के हिसाब से कैलकुलेट होता है, उतने दिन आपका चलेगा। तो आपको OTT भी फॉर दैट मैनी डेज OTT विल ऑल्सो बी लाइव। तो यानी कहाँ क्वार्टरली या एनुअल पैक से आपको डेली पैक दे रहे हैं OTT में, विच इज अगेन अ बिग रिवॉल्यूशन इन इटसेल्फ।
आपका जो है कि वो 30 पे रहेगा या फिर
DTH का सब्सक्रिप्शन 30 दिन होता है आपका, मान लीजिए 300 रुपये का फॉर कैलकुलेशन सिंप्लिसिटी। इफ यू हैव ए 300 रुपीज़ पैक डिवाइड बाय 30 डेज, 10 रुपये का आपका डेली बर्न रेट है, डेली बर्न रेट आपका 10 रुपये हो गया, राइट। 30 × 10 300 हो गया आपका। आप इसी 300 में मैं आपको OTT भी दे रहा हूँ, आपका टीवी 30 दिन चलने वाला है। अगर आपने 200 रुपये रिचार्ज किया तो भी आपका टीवी 20 दिन चलेगा, क्योंकि आपका डेली बर्न रेट 10 रुपये का। तो 200 रुपये में आप 20 दिन OTT भी देख सकते हैं, DTH भी देख सकते हैं। तो कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज नहीं है, कोई बंदिश नहीं है कि यू हैव टू पे मी फॉर अ ईयर और अ क्वार्टर और अ मंथ।
अच्छा, जब एक और समस्या आती है जैसे डिश पे जो है, जैसे कि बादल आते हैं तो उसमें तो क्या हमें स्मार्ट प्लस में जो है कि ये समस्या देखने को नहीं मिलेगी या क्या?
बिल्कुल, इसमें ये वाला जो लेकुना है पूरा एड्रेस हो गया है। क्यों? क्योंकि DTH जो चलता है वो सेटेलाइट से चलता है, ठीक है। OTT जो चलता है डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी है, स्ट्रीमिंग है। तो अगर आपका थोड़े दिन के लिए, वैसे तो आज के डेट में 2-3 मिनट से ज़्यादा होता नहीं है रेनफेड, ठीक है, 4-5 मिनट से ज़्यादा होता नहीं है रेनफेड, इतना टाइम बंद होता है, इतने में हम सिग्नल अप करके स्ट्रेंथ अप करके उसको मैनेज कर लेते हैं। बट अगर वो 5 मिनट भी आपका बंद है, आपका OTT तो चालू है, आप OTT देखिए उस दौरान, और OTT में आपका सारा अवेलेबल है कंटेंट जो आप DTH में देख रहे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कंटेंट इज देयर।
उसमें थोड़ी समस्या आ सकती है।
नहीं, वो रेनफेड का हर टेक्नोलॉजी में आता है। DTH तो कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म होगा, हर चीज़ सब में आता है 2-3 मिनट, तो उसमें ऐसा नहीं है मेरा ही आता है। आप केबल भी देख रहे हैं अगर, तो केबल वायर के थ्रू है, उसमें तो समस्या और ज़्यादा होती है, क्योंकि वायर में पानी लग गया, जंग लग गया, मॉइस्चर आ गया, कट हो गया कहीं पे, हिल गया कनेक्शन, उसमें ज़्यादा तकलीफ होती है। DTH में रेनफेड 2-3 दिन का होता है, उससे ज़्यादा होता नहीं है। बट अगर होता भी है तो सब प्लेटफॉर्म में होता है, आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन इम्पैक्टेड बिकॉज दैट्स द नेचर ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी। और उसको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए हमने आपको OTT दे दिया, उस दौरान OTT ऑन कर लीजिए अपना OTT देखिए। आप मान लीजिए आप स्टार स्पोर्ट्स देख रहे हैं, IPL देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, IPL में आपका बारिश हो गई, मान लीजिए चेन्नई में साइक्लोन आ गया, बारिश हो गई, आप CSK और SRH देख रहे हैं, नहीं देख पा रहे, तो आप इसमें अवसर ऑन कीजिए, आपका चल रहा है। OTT ही दे रहे हैं, राइट। तो आपको जो डिश टीवी कनेक्शन के साथ मिल रहा है, स्मार्ट पैक के साथ जो मिल रहा है, वो OTT का ही सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल रहा है। तो आपकी जो कंडीशंस OTT पे एप्लीकेबल है वही कंडीशन इसमें एप्लीकेबल रहेगी, नो डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ रूल्स फॉर दैट।
I mean, what Manoj said, and the fact is, when you saw the AV, it's exactly the same content giving a wider reach, bringing it to everyone's home. So whether it's the rural or the urban area, I genuinely believe, I'm asked this question a lot of times, that does a film represent our society? And vice versa. It is a fact. But you blame films for saying, "Arey violence dikhaya to XYZ violent ho gaye." But you don't give the same credit when something good happens. So it's like, I mean, if the films have to affect everyone in a strong way where they can change their thinking and being, then to, I mean, फिर चाहिए था क्या? Everyone would be making only the good part of it. So I genuinely believe that what you take out of some creative stuff genuinely depends on the person who's consuming it. And how, like, art is subjective. Whatever, it's a book, it's a painting, it's a show. The way you will see it, probably I will not see it in the same way. You might love it, I might hate it. So I think it varies from person to person, rather a network to network. And all that is happening here is, it is coming to your home. If you don't want to watch certain, I mean, when you read the PG guidance or any of that, or adults only, then you have the choice of switching it off when your kids are sitting with you. But, well, like I said even before when I answered the question, there is a good and a bad. It's not possible. When you are saying I am giving you everything possible, you can't possibly put restrictions on everything. And sensible or sensitive thinking is everyone's responsibility, from the creators to the networks to the platforms that are putting it out. So putting it just on one person or one particular thing is a little, I think it's unrealistic. There's a very nice thing I read somewhere. The most important thing you give your children is roots and wings. Ab accept karna parents ko कि my children have grown up and are going to make their own decisions is a little difficult, but it is a fact. मैं बचपन में उन्हें समझाऊं, सिखाऊं, but finally वो क्या करेंगे? It will depend as they grow up. और फिर मेरा कहना ना कहना, they will accept what they want. So मैं पढ़ती हूँ और मैं बच्चों को कहती थी you must read, you will love it. और दोनों बच्चे they were not into reading, which was very sad for me. But then as they grew up, suddenly उनको पढ़ना and not the stuff that I read everything. But they started reading a lot of stuff which tells them life hacks. You know, my older one wants to be a businessman, my younger one wants to do something else. So they started reading on their own. ये realization उनको हुआ तब वो पढ़ने लगे. मेरे कहने से as a parent, honestly बच्चे वही करते हैं जो उनको करना होता है. एक एज तक आप उन्हें कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, उसके बाद राम भरोसे. Second question, it's not difficult. Yeah, it's not difficult for me. मैं एक्टर हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अलग-अलग किरदार बनना है. अगर एक ही किरदार बनना था तो शिफाली is not a bad किरदार to follow. So it's not difficult for me. In fact, that is what excites me. Oh, this is completely different. ये नहीं किया है, चलो ये करते हैं. But so ये सवाल मतलब मेरे लिए difficult नहीं है. It's like exciting for me.
Thank you, Shefali.
Dish TV is not about DTH or TV anymore. It is about entertainment. All form of entertainment on any screen, anytime, anywhere. So that's for the USPs.
All the media people over here. So today is the day of reckoning for the industry, and Dish TV, like always, has been the pioneer in bringing in another disruptive and customer-friendly, segmented offer, wherein each customer today doesn't have to worry about a separate subscription for DTH, a separate subscription for OTT, and additional cost towards that. So and nothing in terms of maintaining different devices, different IDs, and all that. It's become so seamless, so hassle-free that with the same subscription under one registered mobile number, which is norm of a DTH, you can actually avail everything around the world of entertainment, be it TV, be it OTT. So there's been a lot of talk about content being consumed on the move. So we are the first one who have really. अच्छा, okay. So Dish TV पहली कंपनी है जिसने ये एक्चुअल में करके दिखाया है कि आप जो बार बार सुनते थे कि कंटेंट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर ऑन एनी स्क्रीन, ये अभी तक सिर्फ बात थी. DTH ने इसको इतना अफोर्डेबल बना के रखा है अभी डिश टीवी ने कि कस्टमर को आप कुछ और करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप अगर 250 रुपये का सब्सक्रिप्शन पैक लेके चल रहे हैं मेरा, तो भी आपको OTT सारे मिल जाएंगे जो आपको चाहिए. आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर 350 का पैक है तो भी आपकी जो है OTT अवेलेबिलिटी है, DTH सब्सक्रिप्शन की अवेलेबिलिटी है. और ये किसी भी और ब्रांड में या किसी भी और सर्विस में आज की डेट में अवेलेबल नहीं है. आपको अपना कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है. जस्ट जाके अपने हमारी या तो वेबसाइट पे जाइए या मार्केट में कस्टमर अगर आप नया DTH कनेक्शन लेना चाहते हैं तो आप DTH का कनेक्शन लीजिए और आपका सर्विस जो है शुरू हो जाएगा.
OTT लेने के लिए क्या डेटा की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी?
देखिए डेटा आज की डेट में OTT जैसे आप देख रहे थे वैसे ही आपको देखना है, कोई चेंज नहीं है उसमें भी. अगर आपके पास एक नॉर्मल इंटरनेट कनेक्शन लगा हुआ है तो आपके पास मोबाइल डेटा है, आपके पास इंटरनेट डेटा है. जो डेटा आज की डेट में आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आज भी हर कोई आदमी जो है OTT यूज़ कर रहा है. तो हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आप ज़बरदस्ती हमारा इंटरनेट लीजिए, ठीक है. आपको ज़रूरत नहीं किसी भी चीज़ की. आपके पास जो ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है आप उसी पे इसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं.
सर जो ये स्मार्ट प्लस नाम रखा है, ये एनी टाइम एनीवेयर की वजह से रखा है या कुछ और भी है?
नहीं, देखिए आज की डेट में कस्टमर स्मार्ट है, मोबाइल स्मार्ट है, आपकी मशीन स्मार्ट है, आपका होम स्मार्ट है, ठीक है। डिश बहुत स्मार्ट कंपनी है, हमारे कस्टमर इतने स्मार्ट हैं, तो हमने कहा इससे बढ़िया कोई नाम ही नहीं हो सकता।
प्लस का क्या मतलब है?
प्लस मीन्स अ लॉट मोर इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू कम। बहुत कुछ और आगे आने वाला है, तो प्लस 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 इसमें बहुत कुछ होता रहेगा।
इससे रेवोल्यूशन कैसे आएगा?
रिवॉल्यूशन तो ये अपने आप में आ चुका है एक तरह से। अगर आप देखें कि आप आज की डेट में ये सब चीज़ें अलग अलग जाके सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। आपके घर में बेडरूम में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का अलग बिल नहीं आता, किचन में अलग बिल नहीं आता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, या आपके लिविंग रूम में अलग बिल नहीं आता, ठीक है। तो आपका DTH में या मनोरंजन के उसमें क्यों अलग अलग बिल हों? तो इसलिए रिवॉल्यूशन है कि आपके एक बिल में सब कुछ हो जाएगा।
Well, I'm going to be honest. मुझे very recently this collaboration came across और I'm very happy that मैं ये collaboration कर पाई। कब से मतलब अभी फ़िलहाल मतलब a couple of days, but yeah.
डिश टीवी स्मार्ट फैमिली से मिलकर आपको कैसा लगा और क्या देखते हैं कि आने वाले समय में जो टीवी का स्कोप है क्या है?
जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग टेक्नोलॉजिकली savvy नहीं होते। मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजिकली savvy नहीं हूँ, और मेरी माँ को या मेरी सास को अगर मेरे शोज़ भी देखने हो जो OTT पर हैं, तो वो वो राह देखते हैं कि हम में से कोई उन्हें लगा कर दे, ऑन कर दे। बट अब इसकी वजह से उन्हें, जैसे वो टेलीविज़न देखते आ रहे हैं, जैसे सीरियल्स देखते आ रहे हैं, उसी तरीके से वो सब देख पाएंगे। दे ओनली हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन देयर रिमोट। एंड ना सिर्फ बड़े शहरों में, बट इवन छोटे छोटे शहरों में, गांव में, सब वो कंटेंट देख पाएंगे, विच इज़ वंडरफुल।
कहा जाता है कि बड़े आप फिल्म स्टार हैं, आपको चाहिए कि लोग स्टार पे जाकर देखें, बड़े सिनेमा हॉल पे देखें, छोटे टीवी पर लोग कम जाएं, आपका ये चॉइस होती है, तो आप कैसे जुड़े इससे?
वेल, ऑनेस्टली सिनेमा में जाना एक कल्चर है हमारे देश में, जैसे क्रिकेट कल्चर है, तो वो बदलने वाला नहीं है और वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा। सबको चाहिए जब एक बड़ी फिल्म आती है कि हम पूरे परिवार के साथ जाएं और समोसा खाते हुए फिल्म देखें। लेकिन जिस तरह का काम मैं करती हूँ, ऑनेस्टली मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता वेयर इट्स कमिंग। स्क्रीन पर आ रहा है, टीवी पे आ रहा है। इनफैक्ट आई फील इट्स मोर एक्सेसिबल। लाइक OTT के साथ क्या हुआ कि पूरी दुनिया, ये जब कोई भी शो ड्रॉप होता है, ड्रॉप्स इन 191 कंट्रीज इन वन गो, विच इज़ सच अ बिग एक्सपोजर। कोई फिल्म को इतना बड़ा एक्सपोजर अब तक नहीं मिल पाता था, बिकॉज OTT नहीं था। एंड अभी पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सब गाँव में डिश प्लस की वजह से सब देख पाएंगे, सो विच इज़ वंडरफुल।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।